Command responsibility dahilan ng pagbibitiw ni ex-DPWH Secretary Bonoan ayon kay PBBM. Ang kasama natin sa balitang yan si Rajuman Chanel Salazar.
RMN Live Report!
Tinanggap ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang pagbibitiw ni dating DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan dahil sa command responsibility. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, inako ni Bonoan ang responsibilidad sa mga anomalya sa flood control projects na nangyari sa ilalim ng kanyang pamumuno sa ahensya.
I think it was Secretary Bonoan who said that he took responsibility because it was under all of these things happened, all of these problems happened under his watch. So under the principle of command responsibility, he felt that he should leave his post.
Samantala, napili naman ni Pangulong Marcos si Secretary Vince Dizon na mamuno sa DPWH dahil sa magandang performance nito sa DOTR, partikular na sa pagpapatupad ng malalaking proyekto sa transportasyon. Pamilyar din anya ito sa trabaho sa DPWH at kumpiyansa siyang nagawa na ni Dizon ang mga dapat gawin sa DOTR, kaya pwede na anya nitong iwanan ang ahensya at lumipat sa public works.
Vince Dizon because he seems he's done a very good job sa DOTR, and I think he's already set the stage for all of the things that we need to do. So pwede na niyang iwanan and go to public work kasi he's also familiar with the workings of the Department of Public Works and Highways.
Si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Kasama mo sa DZXL RMN Manila, Rajuman Chanel Salazar, Tatak RMN.